Hello, I'm going to tell you a story. A great story about a wolf and a horse. I hope you enjoy it.
Mr. Horse wakes up really early in the morning. He's feeling fresh, such a good night's sleep. He has a stretch when he has stopped yawning, and stands up 'cause it's time to brush his teeth. Mr. Wolf wakes up feeling lonely in the morning. He's kinda low after a bad night's sleep. He rings his friends, no one cares that he's calling, 'cause no one sees he's a lamb underneath.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time. We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Mr. Horse goes to the local supermarket, looking around for something good to eat. He's so happy and he's feeling warm-hearted, trotting around super light on his feet. Mr. Wolf goes down to the woods for a walk, reaches a stream where he sees Mr. Horse. All he wants to do is talk. All he wants to do is talk. But all the horse sees is a wolf. All the horse sees is a wolf. All the horse sees is a wolf. So he bolts away. Mr. Horse thinks that he's safe in the park, so he starts to have a good time. Almost forgets that Mr. Wolf is chasing, till he sees him in the dark. 'Cause all the horse sees is a wolf. All the horse sees is a wolf. All the horse sees is a wolf. So he bolts away. Mr. Horse tries to escape through the gate, but it's locked so he can't get away. Mr. Wolf jumps on Mr. Horse. He jumps on Mr. Horse. All he wanted was a friend. All he wanted was a friend. All he wanted was a friend. So they cuddle away.